Welcome to our Excel Basics course. Are you ready to make your spreadsheets clearer and more professional? Today, we'll explore the panel border tools in Excel and discover how they can completely transform the way you present your data. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use Excel's panel border feature to add structure and organization to your tables. Often, raw data in Excel can look messy, which makes it difficult to read or understand. By applying the right borders, you can turn a chaotic table into a clear, organized layout that's much easier to follow. We'll cover how to outline individual cells, entire rows, or specific columns, depending on the effect you want to create. This can help highlight key information or separate different sections for better readability. You'll also learn how to customize the border style. For example, you can use thicker borders for total rows, dotted lines for section dividers, or even add color to make certain parts of the table stand out. A bright red border can draw attention to important figures, while a simple black border might work well for a clean, classic look. These options give you the flexibility to design your spreadsheet in a way that matches your style or the requirements of your project. In addition to adding borders, we'll also cover how to remove them when necessary. Sometimes you might want to clean up a table by taking away extra lines or adjust your layout for a different audience. Knowing how to add and remove borders efficiently will give you full control over the appearance of your spreadsheets. Whether you're creating reports for work, sharing data for a presentation, or just trying to keep your own records tidy, these border techniques are essential for making your Excel sheets look polished and professional. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to transform any spreadsheet into a clean, organized document that's easy to read and understand. Be sure to continue exploring the rest of our Excel series to discover more practical tips and tricks that will upgrade your workflow and help you get the most out of Excel.